Hello, turtle. Hello, turtle. This looks like a beautiful day to be a turtle. I think this one's having a lovely day. I don't have any snacks for you. I know you're used to people feeding you here, but I didn't bring any snacks. Oh, it looks like your little... Is that your baby with you? Do you have a baby turtle with you? That's what I would like to be doing, spending time with my offspring on the water. That sounds really nice. It's a beautiful day to be a turtle. Does anyone know what kind of turtle this is? I know it's not a snapping turtle. And he appears to have a soft shell. Or she. Even though it's not a snapping turtle, I certainly wouldn't try to feed it or offer it to my hand. But I'm not sure what kind of turtle this is. I think I knew at one time, and then the information escaped me. Isn't that beautiful? The water just rippling on her shell. This water is very bluish green today. This is just a little pond near where I work with a deck that goes over it. And I came right out here to this deck, and Mama Turtle and Baby Turtle came out to try and see if I had any food for them. Because I guess people feed them here, but I don't think you should feed animals for the most part. Wild animals, that is. But people do anyways. I know you're looking right at me, because there's nobody else here. You look like a very intelligent creature to me. I don't know if you guys can see the baby swimming around underneath. I think it's her baby. It's pretty cute. It's about 61 degrees today. There's the baby. It's beautiful in the sunshine and quite chilly in the shade. But these two know how to have a good day. I make these nature vlogs because I believe that connecting with nature can have a positive impact on your life. And if you're new, I'd love to have you comment, like, subscribe, and share. And after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.